Hello, everyone. Hello, my fellow starchivores. This is not a starch recipe. It's more of a fun recipe that is still plant-based. And I just wanted to share it with you since I came up with it the other day. I don't like smoothies that at all, really, and so I don't ever have one. Like maybe I have one, I don't know, maybe twice a year. I don't really care for them. I'd rather eat the food like this in its original unprocessed state. But from time to time, if you have guests, or if you have kids, or if you just want to do something for fun, something refreshing, well, it's okay. I just wouldn't be doing this every day, 3 times a day, because it's, this all has fiber. But when we put it in the, in this high speed blender, the fiber gets, disturbed. And so it's better always to eat this in its original form. But today, for a fun video, I wanted to show you this. Please don't tell me how bad this is and stuff like that, because I know it's not bad. I know this is all healthy. I know that this is a starch-based page that I started. But so let's get started. While we wait for some of you to come in, I'll tell you that I have a web page called plantemus.com. Plant, as in plant, P-L-A-N-T, and then E-M-U-S, PLANTEMUS.com, and you can find videos with really good recipes there. And if you want to take a look at my website for my concert pianist career, that is GustavoTolosa.com. And remember that you can still watch for free this amazing health summit. If you look down in this page, in this Facebook page, Dr. Starch, you will find several posts where I give you the link to claim your free viewing. You can view that. Okay, so what am I going to show you today? I use one green apple that I just kind of chopped a little bit, and I'm putting it in this high-speed blender. So this is one green apple. I also have half of a cucumber that I kind of just chopped a little. Half of a cucumber. I also have 1 cup of applesauce that I made myself in the Instant Pot. You can put apples there, and with a little bit of water, and you have applesauce. Okay, this is about a tablespoon of ginger, which I'm going to put here. And it smells so good. And then this is some fresh mint that I have from my garden. I have 5 leaves. You can use as much ginger and mint as you want. Then I have the juice and the pulp of 2 limes. Okay. And in my original recipe, I had about a half cup or 3/4 of a cup of the apple juice that came from when I made the applesauce, but I didn't have enough now, so I have about a 3/4 cup of orange juice that I just made. Then we need also about a cup of sparkling water, or it could be just water. This is cold sparkling water. And then 12 ice cubes. And that's it. There's no sugar added at all, no processed sugar, I should say, no table sugar. And we're just going to get started at low and then get it to go to higher speed. Well, that's it, guys. I made this the other day for some guests that I had over, and they could not get enough of this stuff. So that's why I'm showing it to you. Okay, I haven't shaved today, so I'm embarrassed to show my face. So I'm just gonna try it. Yes, yes, yes. The perfect amount of sweetness. At least for me, someone who doesn't eat a lot of sugar, that's fine. All right, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you're watching this in my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And in my website, plantemas.com, you can also sign up for free to be in my email list, where I email you every now and then a recipe or a video. So thank you again for being here, and I hope that you try it and let me know if you liked it. Bye-bye.